Alright, so our product is a socket. It was invented by me, Sean, and Luke. And our slogan is, if you're in need of a pocket, then get a socket. So today we're asking for $400 so we can buy a sewing machine to start making the sockets. So we can just go ahead and get our business started. And we're asking for $400, and you guys would get 20% of our company. And the uses of the socket, if you don't have any pockets, you can put your phone, just money, anything that you need that you don't have any room for in your pockets, into a socket, which is a sock with a pocket on the side. So it is really useful. Many people said that they would really like to have one because they would use it every day, and they're really cheap too. They're only $4 to buy.
Okay, so this is our graph right here. The X is for the number of units sold, which is the sockets, and the Y is how much money we're going to make after selling a certain number of sockets. Okay, so when the X and Y intersect, that's when we will make our profit, which is $660. And the number of how many sockets that need to be sold to reach our profit is 66 sockets. And okay, so how we got the profit was Y equals 10x, which is our profit, and since we make the sockets, which is $4 to make it, it's like $2 more, so we will make a higher profit, which will make $660, which will contain a number of 66 sockets to make.
And our first equation is y equals 4x plus 400, and that is the cost to make it, because the 400 is going to be the cost to get a sewing machine to sew the socks, and the 4 is how much it costs to make it from the yarn and stuff. And our second equation is y equals 10x, and that is how much we are going to sell them, and that's going to be our profit. So how you solve the first equation is by minusing 4x by 10 and by both sides of the equation, and it would be 6x for one side, and it would be 400 to the other, so you would divide 6 by itself, and 400 divided by 6 equals 66, and our second equation is y equals 10x, which you would bring the 66 over to it, and you would get y equals 660.